How to fix media sound too low on Android phone. So if you found that your media sound is very low, you can't hear to the media sound on any Android phone, then here's how you can fix it easily. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the media sound very low problem, you just should open up the settings app from your Android phone first, and then go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and you'll get to see the sounds and vibration. You just have to get into the sounds and vibration, and inside this one you'll get to see the first option, media sound. If it's all the way to the very low, you just have to make sure that it's in the high position right here. And once you have make sure the media sound is all the way to the very high, you just need to get back from here and make sure to check out your side buttons to increase the volume. And once you do that, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But if you still have the problem, then I always recommend you to restart your phone once, because this problem sometimes happen for the software glitch. So you just need to restart your phone once, and once you get back, most likely your low sound problem will be fixed. Hope you find it very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.